going to be talking about how to use your IML products to take trades inside of your broker account, whether it's pocket options, race options, binary cent, IQ cent, whatever it might be. We're going to be talking about how to take the trades using the scanners, whether it's Liberty, whether it's Hourglass, whether it's Freedom, no matter what. I'm going to make this very, very simple and very, very short. So first things first, you want to access this by using the IM.Center, okay? IM.Center is going to take you out. You're going to be able to see this icon right here, which is called Strategies. Now, when you open Strategies, it's going to take you into the different strategies. You're going to see this screen. You might get a pop-up. The pop-up, you just want to click the X or just hit Don't Show Again, okay? Once you get the pop-up, close it out. Once you're done with that, you're going to scroll down mid-screen. When you get mid-screen, whether you have FRX or HFX, you're going to just choose the one that you want to use. I'm going to click HFX, right? In HFX, whatever you have access to will be highlighted. If you have not purchased Cash Trap 3.0, you will not have access to the Hourglass strategy. You will have access immediately, no matter what package you're on, to the Liberty. Now, when you open up Liberty, you're going to click it here, and you're going to click right here. When you open up Liberty, you're going to come to the strategies at top, and you're going to be able to choose a different scanner. Now, each one of these scanners has one purpose, and one purpose only is to make you money. That's it. That's all. Whether you use Simple Scalper, Pickpocket, or Web Slinger, no matter what you decide to use, there are different strategies that you have available to you, okay? Now, Millie, if you follow Millie or you watch her go live, she teaches Simple Scalper. She's an amazing, amazing teacher. She breaks it down very simple. If you go to her page and look at her favorites videos, she has a video explaining how to use Simple Scalper. So you'll be able to see that. Now, you have Simple Scalper right here. On the right-hand side, you're going to be able to see different trade ideas. Okay, different trade ideas are going to be right here on the side. So what you'll be doing is taking this information and putting it into your broker account. All right, so now we go back here and we close out this one, right? So if you have Hourglass, you would click Hourglass. You would come here, choose Hourglass. Once Hourglass opens, this is going to be where you have access to the Cash Trap 3.0 that Matthew Thayer teaches, right? Matty Pips, Matthew Thayer. This is a strategy that he uses, Cash Trap 3.0. Okay, so let's say you were going to use that. Again, this is a $22 add-on. If you don't have access to it, log into your im.academy, go to shopping cart, and then add the Hourglass on for $22 extra monthly. All right, cool. So we got that. So let's just say we're going to be using Cash Trap 3.0, okay? Cash Trap 3.0, you have access to it. This is what it looks like. What you would be doing is taking the trade ideas from the scanner. The scanner's job is to scan the markets all day long while you're sleeping, eating, chilling, breathing, living life. The scanner is working for you. That's why we tell you that that's what you're paying for, family. That's exactly what you're paying for, is the ease of trading without having to do all the work. Okay, so what this looks like is if you look on this right-hand panel, you're going to see different trade ideas. On the Cash Trap method, it changes every 5 minutes, right? So right here, if you look at the time, it's 4:35. 4:35 means we just got a new set of trades. So what you want to do is you want to refresh it. You can refresh it by just clicking on a pair, right? You click on a pair, it's going to refresh it. Now, if you look at this clock right here, 4:33, 4:32, that clock is a countdown. It counts down until the next candle that's going to form. So we know we have 4 minutes and 23 seconds before the next candle. So what you're going to be looking at is the amount of time that's on these trades. We want the shortest amount of time left, right? So this is 6 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago. We don't want those trades. We want the 1 minute, 30 seconds. We want those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh my screen again. That's very, very important. You want to make sure you're getting the newest trades that are available on the scanner. Cash Trap changes every 5 minutes, okay? So now that we know that, we see this says about a minute ago. Now, about a minute ago, we see that. So this is telling us we're going to enter this trade at 3:43, because you're looking at the last three numbers, for a call, which is a buy. 343 right here is where current price is. So this is USD JPY. We would come right over here, USD JPY. We would click that. And when you're using Cash Trap, you're taking 3-minute trades. So we know we're going to enter at 3:43. We'd be looking for a 3-minute call to the upside. So we would press the green button for a call. So we know that we've entered this trade right here for a call, for a buy, because it told us 3:43 we're going to enter. So I'm going to highlight this so you guys can see it clearly. So this is 343 right here. I'm going to make this bigger. Right? So that blue line is where we need to enter for the buy. So anything above the blue line is going to be in profit. We have this running for a 3-minute trade. 3-minute trade. So you see how this trade hasn't crossed over the blue line, so we are not in profit yet. But we still have about 2 minutes and 40 seconds before the trade ends. Don't freak out. Don't panic. Once this is green, that means you are in profit. Well, if it's not green, you are not in profit. So all we're waiting for is for it to be green to be in profit. All you're doing is taking the trade from one screen to the other, right? So while we're waiting on that one, we can go look at another one. So we're looking at the most recent. EURCAD, this is telling us to call at 674. If it helps you, grab a line, right? Grab the line and put it at 674. That's 674 right there. So what we're looking for is price to go above us, right? So we would take that. We're looking for EURCAD, and there goes price, right above us. I missed the trade. 674, anything above us is profit because we are in a call. So all you're doing is matching the 674 here to the 674 there, and you're taking the trade over here. From this app to this app. You change the numbers here for time. So you can change it to a 3-minute, 2-minute, 1 minute, whatever you choose, but you're using Cash Trap at the 3-minute trade. You change the amount of money right here, $10, $100, and right below it's going to tell you how much you're going to make on the trade once you win, right? But that's also based on the payouts. Each one of these have a different payout amount, right? If you want to take a 52%, that same $100 is only going to pay out $52 because it's only 52%. Now, if we go back to an 80%, now you're making $80 on that trade. So you always want to check the payout amount. A lot of times you'll hear the educators say, you know, we're not going to take anything below 70% because it just makes more sense to take a trade over 70% to get more profit. If you're taking a 50% trade, it's too risky. You're risking $100 to only make $50. You have to make it make sense. So you always want to look at the payouts. And these do change throughout the day. These change throughout the day. Anytime you see OTC, that means off the clock or over the counter. When that happens, that means you're trading with the broker directly, and that's just gambling. I'm going to tell you straight up, that's straight gambling. If you're only trading with the broker's in control. They can do whatever they want. They can manipulate price. They can do whatever they want to do with your money. So I try to stay away from OTC because there's just too much risk involved, and I'm not about the risk, okay? So 70% or higher is what I like to go with, and no OTC. So if it says OTC, just wait, come back. Now, Saturdays, you will see OTC all day because the market is actually closed, all right? So let's do this one more time so we can make sure you got it. So you see we have 3 seconds left on the clock. Now, after this time expires, everything on the right-hand side is going to refresh. It's going to refresh itself, and you're going to see a whole new set. There you go, less than a minute ago. That's what you want. You want to catch the trade at its beginning point. So EURJPY at 877, take you a line. 877 is right there. So we're looking for price to go above us, right? So we're not going to take this trade until it hits 877 for the call. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here. I'm going to look for that pair so I can get myself set up. We know we're going to take a 3-minute trade on EURJPY for a call. So what I'm looking for is for a price to get closer to my entry. Right now, price is way down here at 861. We want the blue line, the 877. That's what we're looking for. 877 is right here. Anything that's below us, I'm not really interested in it. It's too far away. This is how far price is. It's way down here. We don't want to take that trade just yet. We want to wait for it. We still got 4 minutes left for this trade, so we're still good. Still good for the move. We're going to wait for the move, be patient. And that's all you're doing is you're just waiting for that move to happen. 877. We're going to wait for the move, and you see how it's still pulling down? Not taking it. No. Leave it alone. Don't try to rush it. We can kind of move around. EURCAD, it's telling us to take it at 687. 687, so we can move this to 687 right there. And it was for a put, so that was a sell. We were already in profit. We missed the trade because our entry was 687. 687 is the blue line. Price was already below us. We missed that initial move. Now it's on a pullback. Now you could possibly take this for a pullback, EURCAD. EURCAD. Maybe they don't have it on here. Let's see. EURCAD. Okay, they don't have that pair, which is fine. Some brokers might have it, some brokers might not have it, but we'll just go off of this. So now you see how price has pulled back. When it pulls back like this, now you can enter this trade again because it pulled back to the 687 number. So you can now put this in for a trade to the downside. You can put it in for that put to the downside because it did pull back on you. So that's how you would enter it over on this side. You would just go to EURCAD and take the trade for the downside, right? Now, what I will show you is I will show you other brokers because they're all the same. Nothing really changes. The look might change, but that's the only thing that's changing for you. All right, so while we wait for this thing to set up, I will show you another platform just for the sake of showing you. All right, and while we're waiting, we still got 2 minutes before the next candles form, so we got enough time. Now, here's the same exact thing, guys. Same exact setup. You got your pairs over here. It's showing you the payouts. It's showing you the time. You can change your time. You're going to leave it on turbo. Whatever your platform, you leave it on turbo. You got your timer there. When you change your amount, the bottom changes too. Okay, that's going to change. It's going to tell you right below it how much you're getting paid out. This $10 trade is paying out $7.60. This timer right here, this is the same thing as price. So price is at 628, 628. So all you would do is match the two. So let's say we came in here and we know we'd be putting EURCAD. Come up top, EURCAD. There you go. So this broker has it. So we know we're going to put at 687. Let's see. All right, we're looking at 687, 687. We're not there yet. And you see how different the price is between the broker and the platform. So you see over here, we're at a different number. So you just want to wait. Trading is about patience. If it's not there, it's just not there. Do not force a trade. Do not take a trade out of desperation. You pay for a platform, use it. If you have access to a scanner that's a robot that does all the work for you, all you have to do is be patient and wait for the trade setup. Look, price has not dropped. It has not done anything. It's just sitting at the 687. It has not moved. So if you were to prematurely jump into that trade, you probably would have lost the trade. You just want to be patient, wait for the move, use your scanner, hop between your scanner and your broker, whether it's pocket options, IQ cent, binary cent, whatever you're using, they're all the same. Again, they're all the same. And then you're going to be using it from here to there. Now, some of these platforms have rollover. Rollover is just you saying the trade's not going your direction. You're asking for more time. But understand, every time you roll, it takes 30% out of your bank and puts it on the trade. So it's going to add 30% to the current trade, and it's going to give you 3 more minutes. Now, let's say the first trade, you would take a rollover, that's 30% more, and it's going to add 3 minutes. So now you're in a 6-minute trade. The next time you roll it again, it's another 30%, and then now it's going to be a 9-minute trade. So you have to be careful with all the rollovers. I know some people don't like pocket options, which is totally fine. It does not have rollover, but you don't run the risk of hitting that roll button, and every time you hit roll, it's charging you more money, and it's extending that time out further and further. So sometimes you just have to know when to hold and when to fold, and pocket options does not allow you to roll, so you just got to make that decision on your own, okay? So literally as simple as that. It's taking the trades from here and putting them here. You're using these panels over here. They're telling you everything you need to know. Call, it's telling you the price, it's telling you how long ago the trade was taken. Everything is listed for you. If you want to know how to use these products, go into your IM Center, right? You want to learn how to use Simple Scalper or Cash Trap or Pickpocket. I'm going to show you the hack that nobody's probably telling you or you don't know. Go right into your Go Live, the icon, the globe icon. You're going to scroll down, go to HFX. HFX is going to take you out to the schedules, but I'm not worried about the schedules right now. I want to take you out to the educators. Now, Millie teaches Simple Scalper. She teaches Simple Scalper. She breaks it down. She explains it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Millie's name, and you're going to scroll down and go to her favorites. Her favorites, she has a whole lesson over Simple Scalper right here. She has a whole lesson over Simple Scalper. All you got to do is click on it. It's a 33-minute training that it breaks it down for you, right? Liberty and Simple Scalper Strategy, 40-minute training right there for you. You don't have to wait on anybody. You can do this at your own time, your own leisure. Now, let's say you want to use Cash Trap, right? You want to learn how to use Cash Trap. Go back, right? You hit the icon. It brings you back to the home page. Scroll all the way down. Go to HFX. And the guy who teaches Cash Trap 3.0, the creator, the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Matthew Thayer, he does an amazing job. You click on his name, you scroll down, go to his favorite sessions, and would you look at that, the newest explanation of Cash Trap. Look, he explains it. New Cash Trap explanation 2.0 or 2.0. Cash Trap 2.0 explains Spanish. Cash Trap 2.0 explains English. It's telling you exactly how to use the products. These guys are the ones who created them. They're the people who use them. They're the million-dollar traders. They're the individuals who the company pays to teach you. They're the ones the company pays to give you trades. So go learn from the people who are solidified, the ones who are certified to give you the money, right? So you have access to this 24/7, however, whenever you want. All you have to do is log into your IM.center. It's going to give you access to both the Go Live and to your strategies. Again, if you have just the basic package, you're going to have access to Liberty, which has a simple scalper. If you pay for the Cash Trap add-on, you're going to have access to Hourglass. Okay, guys, I hope that helps. I hope that allows you to take your trading to the next level. And I'll see you at the top because the bottom is way too common.